welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we are finally back with another nail set. I know I have been gone for extremely long, like where have I been? I'll answer that in the middle, like kind of when I'm shaping the nails, because I do want to still explain this nail set and I don't want to just be here talking while like I'm doing the nails, because I do want to explain how I do the nails for you guys, which I feel like is something that I haven't been doing like in my past videos. Like I want to explain the nail sets so you guys can learn and you guys can practice and get better doing your nails, because school's about to start. I know maybe some of you have already started school. Y'all want to get your nails right. I know y'all do. I will talk about where I've been, what I've been doing later in the video, but for now let me just explain this nail set. And it's very good to be back. I have missed you guys so much. I literally thought about you guys, thought about posting a vid, thought about you guys every single day. I'm so glad I'm back. It took me a while to get back on, but I'm very glad that I'm back. Basically, what we are doing, we did the nail prep already, and now I'm gluing on these nail tips. These are not polished nail tips, which were a very good investment. I am so glad I got these. I forgot how much they cost, but they only took a week to get to me, so that is very good. I didn't have to wait that long, and I was so excited to use these, and they are really good, these nail tips. Let me just tell you, they're just beautifully squared already. Like I didn't even have to reshape them that much. After gluing on the nail tips, I just lightly shaped them a little bit, and now I'm going in with my nail drill and removing the shine from the nail tips. And now I'm going in with this Mia Secret primer and dehydrator. Guys, let me tell you, this primer and dehydrator is the best I've ever tried. Young Nails primer, I'm sorry, that was not it. It was not it. It was just not working for me after like, I don't know, like a month after I started using it. It just wasn't working anymore, which I don't understand. But this Mia Secret primer and dehydrator is so good. I did one nail set, which I recorded a video for, but I haven't posted it yet. But that nail set lasted, I'm gonna say like a month and a half, maybe 2 months. It lasts so long, that nail set, using this primer and dehydrator. So if you need a good primer and dehydrator, please get this Mia Secret one, because it is so good and it's only $10. So it was a steal and it works so good. So after I have lightly filed the nails, I added base coat, and now we're going in with the Polygel. This Polygel is from the Makartt Seasonal Concertos Polygel kit, and it's this really nice nude color. But it does have like blue like shimmer in it, which I didn't really want, but I didn't really have another nude, so I just kept using it. It's really not that noticeable. We are doing French tips. We are making cow print French tip nails, which I have not done cow print nails before, and I've always wanted to do them. Like I've been waiting, like when am I even gonna do cow print, because I really want to do them. So today is finally the day. It was such a cute and easy set to do, so I do recommend it, because the nail art, the cow print nail art, is just so cute and it's so easy. We have all the like nude part of the nail done, like the smile line basically done with the nail. You just basically add a bead of polygel near the cuticle area, and you kind of like round it out to make a nice smile line for when you are creating your French tip. So I did that on all the nails, and I wiped off the sticky layer of the polygel after I cured them, and I'm just lightly reshaping them to make the smile line nice and crisp. So now I'm moving on to the white, like the tip part of the nail, using the white polygel. I just added a large bead of the white at the tip of my nail and filled in all the empty area. You don't have to worry about like if you overlap the smile line a little bit. That doesn't matter, because when you file, it'll reveal the nice crisp smile line you have created. So it's okay to slightly like overlap the nude part with the white. You basically don't have to be extremely neat when it comes to that part, but make sure that you are like smoothing out the edges of the nails and making it as nice and crisp and like smooth as possible, so that way when you file, you don't have to file as much, and it'll just make everything a lot easier for you. So after I have applied all of the polygel, we're just going to go ahead and wipe off that sticky layer from the nails, and we're going to get shaping. So I got my hand file and my Makartt dust collector, and we're just going to start with the shaping process. This is the part of the video where I'm going to explain like where I've been for 4 months now. If you don't care, if you don't want to listen to this part, you can just like skip ahead to where I'm starting to do the nail art. But if you do care, I basically just... I literally don't have a good excuse. I just didn't post. Like, I got so unmotivated to do anything, like not just YouTube, like anything. I didn't clean my room. I was literally not doing anything. Do you know what I did? For the whole 4 months, I literally sat behind the computer and played video games all day, 24/7. I ruined my sleep schedule. I go to sleep at 4 a.m. now and wake up at like 1 or 2 in the afternoon, and I don't like it. And all I've been doing is playing video games, and it was very unhealthy. I didn't want to do anything, and I was incredibly unmotivated, and I just did not... I was not doing well. Every time I thought about like posting a video or editing a video, I just felt like it was a chore, and I didn't even want to think about it. So I just did everything to distract myself from it because I didn't want to think about it, and it was not good. I didn't like that. And every day I would think like, okay, yeah, I'll edit my video tomorrow. I'll edit it tomorrow. And then day after day, week after week, and then finally turned into months, I just didn't post a video, and I hated it. I did not like it, but it was like I just couldn't bring myself to edit the video. I was very unmotivated and unproductive. I literally did nothing productive throughout these 4 months. These 4 months have been my summer basically, and literally last time I talked to you, I was literally in school. Like, that's how long ago it was, and now like we're just about to start school again. I like wasted all this time doing absolutely nothing, and it's a horrible excuse, and it's literally what I did was horrible. Like, I should not have left for that long, and I didn't even update you guys. I didn't even say where I was. So I do want to apologize because I should not have done that. Like 2 days ago, I just got this burst of motivation. I cleaned like my room. My room was incredibly messy, and I cleaned my room, and now I feel like I can actually do things again. I don't know why cleaning my room made me feel like that, but I was like, okay, I need to do something productive because I hate the way that I've been feeling, that I felt stressed every day because I haven't been posting, I haven't been doing anything. So I felt stressed. I feel like I just was wasting time basically. I cleaned my room and I filmed a nail video, and now this is the nail video that I'm posting for you guys. I filmed the nail video, and I told myself I'm gonna film it, and I'm going to edit it, and I'm going to post it all in the same week so I can get this video out for you guys, because I know it's been so long. So thank you for all the messages you guys have sent, like saying that you miss me and that you hope everything's okay. And Truly, I am so grateful for all of you and I appreciate all of you. And thank you for sending those messages. I literally saw them, like they popped up on my notifications. And I'm like, when am I gonna feel like motivated enough to edit and post a video? Because I don't know why. I just couldn't bring myself to do it. And I just really hated that feeling. So like, YouTube is my dream job. So for me to have wasted 4 months is just really disappointing that I did that. So yeah, that's basically where I've been, what I've been doing, and I do want to apologize once again to all of you who have waited for me to post this video. So anyway, thank you for listening if you listened to all that, and let's get right back into this video. Here are how the nails are looking after I have shaped and filed them. I love French tip nails. They just came out so good. Let's get right on into this nail art. I'm basically just gonna start by putting some top coat on the white part of my nail because that's where I'm gonna put the nail art. I'm going in with this black Model 1's gel polish, and I'm just going to create like the cow print pattern. It's just like blobs, honestly. And I used a dotting tool to create this pattern. I used the smaller end of my dotting tool to add these like tiny little dots, but here's where I messed up. I went in and cleaned up around the French tip part with my brush, and it just smeared the black gel polish, so I wiped it off and I restarted. But that is why we put on the top coat, for easy cleanup just in case we make some mistakes. So I continued to add the cow print pattern on all the nails. Like I said before, I've always wanted to do cow print, but I just never got the chance, so I'm finally happy that I have done it because I think it looks so cute. So here's how the nail art turned out. I think it looks very cute. So after I cure that in my nail lamp, I'm going in with some top coat and we're just going to finish off these nails. Once again, this was a very simple nail look. I mean, French tip, if you're a beginner, does take a lot of practice. Like, French tip it's not easy, but once you practice it a lot, it gets easier, what I'm trying to say. But honestly, just keep practicing French tip, because in the end it'll pay off and your French tips will end up looking very nice. I would say just make sure you're being generous with the polygel, especially you want to make the nude part of the nail like a good thickness. You don't want to make that too thin, because that is basically where your apex is, and you know, we all want a good apex. So yeah, you just have to make sure that you are making the nails good thickness to create French tip with polygel. So after we're done with the top coat, we're going in with some cuticle oil. And here are how the nails turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, the first video back after a long break. I really enjoyed making this nail set, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Once again, I am very sorry I've been gone for so long, and I'm very happy to be back, because not posting videos made me more stressed than if I was like spending hours and hours editing. So now I know, like, it's easier to post a video than to be stressed out for 4 months straight not posting videos. So yeah, I do appreciate each and every one of you. For anyone who's still sticking around after so long, thank you. And I am not going to fail you this time. I'm going to keep posting videos because that is what I want to do. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this nail set. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye.